Next is worksheet number 15. Again, tenses is continued here. They have given you a tabular column. You have to fill in the tabular column. Okay, Roman letter 1 is complete the table. Present continuous, simple future, present perfect continuous. This is the tabular column. Let's start filling it. Under present continuous tense, is eating is given. Okay, another option is am eating. Am is eating is also possible for present continuous tense. How will you write that in simple future? Will eat or shall eat. How will you write that in present perfect continuous? Has been eating or have been eating. Okay. Now next verb is given in simple future tense, will come. So how will you write that in present continuous? Is coming or am coming. This will come can also be written as shall come. Okay, if I is the subject, at that time we will frame the sentences I shall come to the meeting. So shall can also be added here. How will you write that in present perfect continuous? Has been coming or have been coming. Next tabular column is given in present perfect continuous, has been writing. Here even you can add one more, that is have been coming. That is also there, no? Option is therefore have been coming also in present perfect continuous. So how will you write in present continuous? Is writing, am writing. Simple future, will write, shall write. Okay, copy this tabular column. Next is rewrite the given sentences in the past form. We are going to use only past tense for the given verbs. First question, she finishes her homework before dinner. So first you have to find out the verb here, finishes. Okay, that you have to change to the past tense. What is the past tense of finishes? Finished. So the answer is she finished her homework before dinner. Next one, we go to the park on Sundays. Which is the verb here? Go. Change that to past tense. What is the past tense of go? Went. We went to the park on Sundays. I am early for the game. Which is the verb here? Am. What is the past tense of am? Was. I was early for the game is the answer. Okay, ma? Next, Roman letter 3. The given sentences are in simple present tense. Write F if it is talking about facts. Write H if it is talking about habits. What are called facts? Facts are information, you cannot change it. It is always there. Okay, it is a fixed informations. What are habits? Habitual actions. Every day you'll be doing something routinely, no? That is habitual action. So we'll read the question. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. This is the routine activity of a person. So here you have to write H. H should be written here. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is fact. You cannot change it, no? So this is F. Arun is a boy. He is 8 years old. This is also fact. You cannot change his age. He is a boy. So this is also fact. Next, Roman letter 4. Fill in the tabular column. Sentences are given here. You have to name what tense it is. So how to find out tense in a sentence? Simple way is find out the verb in the sentence first. Looking at the verb, you can easily identify the tense. What is the first sentence given? I have read 2 chapters in this book. Have read is the verb. So this is present perfect tense. He likes chocolate sauce on a scoop of ice cream. Likes is the verb. That tells it is simple present tense sentence. They have been working from morning. Have been working is the verb. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Next, Roman letter 4. Choose the correct simple present tense. You are going to choose the present tense verb. The flight to New York always dash on time. Options given here are arrive, arrives, arrived. Arrived is past tense verb, so you need not worry about arrived. Choose any one from arrive or arrives. How will you find out? Look at the subject given here, the flight. For singular noun, you have to choose verb plus yes or es form. So answer is arrives. It always dash in the morning. Remove this rained because this is past tense verb. Choose any from rain or rains. It is the subject, singular subject. So you have to choose verb plus yes form, rains. My aunt is a fashion designer. She dash her own clothes. She is the subject, singular. So you have to choose verb plus yes form, designs is the answer. Write your answers, send it to my number. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you, ma.